Hey, good morning, readers and writers. So yesterday, you got to do kind of a fun project where you matched the appearance cards, what someone looks like, with the personality card, what someone acts like. And I wanted you to think about that word assumption. So when you matched up those cards, I'm imagining most of you matched them up with what made, sense. You assumed that because someone looked a certain way, that they would act a certain way, and those are the cards that you put together. You assumed behavior based on looks. You were kind of making a judgment. And I think Sophie, in the beginning, kind of made a judgment about the BFG, right? It's night, it's the middle of the night, it's the witching hour. Here comes this ginormous creature down the street that looks very odd with that pointy nose and those huge ears. She was terrified, right? And then he snatched her out of the house and took her to his cave. She's still terrified. She's assuming that he's a bad guy and he's gonna eat her up, just gobble her, right? Turns out he's the big friendly giant. So her assumption or judgment about what kind of person he was, based on how he looked, was not necessarily true. So for today's assignment, the first thing that I want you to do is go back and look at those card choices, the appearance with the behavior, the personality. I want you to mix them up. So the beautiful, smiling person, maybe give that person an ugly personality. Switch it up, make it fun, post your answers. So post your letter and your number, okay? And then go in and comment on somebody else's. So that's step one. Step two is that you're going to create your own character. So I'm going to have you, so you guys can see my screen right now. And so I want you to see that we've got a character worksheet. So you can use the cards I gave you to create a character, or you can create your own. You're not going to be able to work on this actual document, but you can draw your character on a piece of paper, and then you can write what they look like, and then you can write what their personality is like. Use those cards as an example of how to describe the way someone looks and how to describe someone's personality. Okay, remember to use complete sentences. Remember to use your cops and have it make sense. Please put some heart and some detail into this character drawing. And then you can take pictures of your work and post it, and we'll all get to look at each other's characters and descriptions of appearance and personality. So have fun with this and just really enjoy it. All right, guys, thanks.